Susundan kayo muna, sir.
Solid!
Uy, first blood para kay Mr. Archeta. Big man.
Atanante. Still by Grospe.
Mr. Veterans Grospe.
Dami.
Senator Money, number 22 team ball. Uy! Yung foreigner, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Okay, shout out.
Nakabatamaan ka, pumuti ka. Anong ginagawa mo?
Oo.
Isa po.
Ramos.
Number 14. Ito na,
Archeta.
Mr. Money.
Still by.
And someone's shoot. Mr. Veterans Grospe looking for
Nice rep.
Ramos. Five.
Ba, syempre.
Finding jumper. Ball by Mr. Alante.
Atanante. Perimeter, no good. Rebound by Ramos. Pass break kay Dexter.
Relax na, Korean. Wala ito.
Atanante.
Number 6.
Shoot. No good. Rebound by.
Mr. Jello. Pumping.
No good. Shoutout sa girlfriend ni Eloy. Sinabihan ng sayang ang 360. Sa grab.
First team ball of Timori. Getting two by Mr. Jello.
First shot is no good.
No shot. Wala pa rin para Mr. Jello. 7 minutes.
Grospe. Dribble the ball by Grospe. Binigay kay Ramos. Ramos umaatake. No good. Still by.
Ito na, blue team.
Beneventura. Dribble the ball by Beneventura. Atake. No good. Rebound by Timbol. Dribble the ball by Timbol. Dribble the ball by Timbol. Inatake na ni Timbol. No good. Rebound by Timbol again. Grospe. Traveling violation.
Mr. Poyet, Mr. Spring. Oy,
Who's Paul rep? Grospe.
Follow on number 1, Mr. Grospe again.
Rice.
Now a shot, ready for jumper. Ball by Mr. Malyari.
Binigay kay Archeta. Nakuha ni Atanante. Dribble the ball by Atanante. Binigay kay Jello. Reverse, no good. Rebound by Jello again. Nakuha ni Boss B. Still by Atanante. Rebound by Atanante. No good. Tutukan. Ayan na, nagwala na si Atanante. Ramos, dribble the ball by Ramos. Still by Beneventura. Dribble the ball by Beneventura. Atanante, pumasok din. Bola. Op.
Labanan ng katawan to. Small ball with jersey number 22, Mr. Timbol. First personal ball on you, Mr. Timbol.
Kay Boss Russell. Winner versus Red daw.
Sa videographer at commentator, Mr. Ati Tulud. Shoutout din sa bumaril sa akin kagabi, Jomar Valerio. Dizon. All in yours number 27, Mr. Spring.
Black.
Akala ko champa lang.
First shot para kay Timbol.
Garo ay lahat.
Yeah. Nandito din yung score of the
Atanante. Binigay kay Jello. Fake. Traveling violation. Crossover by Archeta. No good. Ventura, dribble the ball by Beneventura. Binigay kay Jello. Binigay kay Racines. It's good.
Diyan lang yan, huwag mong gagalawin. Night mode yan.
Still by. Nakuha pa rin ni Senator Manny. Binigay kay Malyari. Binigay kay Timbol. Binigay kay Rep. Beneventura, dribble the ball by Beneventura. Binigay kay Racines. Binalik kay Beneventura for 3. No good. Nakuha ni outside. Okay. Second 5 para sa first quarter. Dribble the ball by Canlas. Ay, narasagad ni Garcia. Downtown. It's good. Tia, lagi nagpa-practice to sa MRF. Atanante for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Lobo. Binigay kay Canlas. Behind the back. Moching naghahanap ng papasan. Binigay kay Canlas from downtown. No good. Short. Technical shoot. Last.
Sponsor ng kabaya.
Shot clock down to 10.
Timbol. Timbol. Dribble the ball by Timbol. Timbol.
To Mr. Canlas. Shot clock 5 seconds.
Canlas. Last 5 seconds to shoot. From downtown. Canlas! It's short. Rebound by Timbol. Okay, 24 seconds shot clock dahil hindi tumama sa ring. Nag-magic sarap. Ay, idol ko, oh.
Unang matira ni Mr. Canlas.
Garcia! Malis. Binigay kay Sir Steph. 4-3. Short. Atanante. Atanante. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia masyado masikip. 4 shot. No good. Binigay kay Atanante. Atanante. Fake. Binigyan pa ng onting body. Canlas. Dribble the ball by Canlas. Nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia. Dribble the ball by Garcia. Garcia. Dribble the ball by Garcia. Pull up. Sinolo. Binigay kay... Op! Ay, binomba na ni Ramos.
Iba na ang penalty maglaro.
Aldrin, naghanap ng papasahan. Binigay sa gitna. Nakuha ni Ramos. Uy, behind the back pass. Rube, binigay kay...
Pull-up jumper is good.
Grabe.
The number 5 na malikot.
Naharas na ni Canlas. Dribble the ball by Garcia. Sir Steph binigay kay Atanante. Atanante binigay kay Sir Steph. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia pupulap yata. Crossover. Pull up. It's good. Ayan na. Canlas. Lumipad. Behind the back pass. Sumabay pa si Idol. Garcia inaharas na ni Canlas. Same ball.
First quarter. Sir Trevor. The veterans. Pull up.
Na veterans.
By Mr. Ponching. By top. Junior balls again. By number 23.
Canlas nagmamadali. Canlas siya lang mag-isa. Binigay kay Rupert from downtown. No good.
Rebound by number 5.
Rebound. Uy, sumabay pa. Atanante, dribble the ball by Atanante. Crossover behind the back. Atanante, siya mag-isa. It's good. Binigay kay Canlas, binigay kay Rupert. Uy, simpleng layup. Naghanap ng papasahan, binigay kay Garcia. Garcia, dribble the ball, binigay kay Atanante. Atanante, dribble the ball by Atanante. Crossover, binigay kay Sir Steph from downtown. Boom. No good. Pass break. Whoop. Canlas, lumipad.
1 minute and 23.
Binigay kay Idol. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia crossover.
Atanante, sabi niya, relax lang.
Relax lang daw. Binigay kay Garcia, pull up. No good, short. Nakuha ni Idol. Uy, nakaw play. Timbol. Uy.
Timbol,
Lefty. Ba?
Eto na, si Mr. Canlas. Canlas stays off. It's good.
Lumipad agad. Wala pa.
20-18.
Uy, dribble the ball. Uy, Idol. Uy, crossover by Idol. Uy, di na yan. Ayan na.
Side pocket. Rebound by Canonigo.
Canonigo. Dribble the ball by Canonigo. Binigay kay Timbol from downtown.
Kamutik na. Shot clock out to 14. 48 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Sir Steven. Shot clock set. 22 seconds. And turnover is still by Mr. Canlas. Canlas reverse. Last 14 seconds. No more shot clock. And seconds. Osbox to Mr. Trevor. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. And of the first quarter scored 20-18. Lawang na dalawa. Ang Team Orange. Kukunan ni Mr. Ponching. Mr. Garcia, bola niyo. Second quarter. Garcia to Mr. Rosales. Spring. To number 4, Ryan Ventura. Up the board, not good. Ball by Mr. Moriarty. And si Mr. Menchena.
Nabutan mo!
Menchena to Mr. Moriarty. Screen by Mr. Ponching. Pull-up jumper. Rebound by Mr. Jello. Jello behind the back. 4 on 3. Jello to Mr. Boyet. Mother and son connection yun. Isa
Nice
pa,
one.
Mr. Boyet again. That's good. Alam niya kung saan pwesto ang tatay niya. Kabla tayo, 20 all. For 58 Candas. Nice team by Mr. Spring. Kaso, nagawang paraan ni Mr. Candas yun. 22-20.
Oy!
He's off, sorry. By Mr. Brazil.
Sorry, miss by
Candas
Jan.
again. Candas. Reverse. That's good. Gusto mahirap talaga nito. 24-20. Hello.
Jello.
Ikaw, to Mr. Buenaventura.
Buenaventura.
Down. Shooter ball. Three.
Shooter's bounce from Buenaventura.
With Candas to Mr. Manny. From downtown. Three.
Manny.
Manny. 27-23. Inawi agad. Three. By Mr. Garcia. 8 minutes and 10. Isa pa pa. Mr. Ancheta. Ikaw to Mr. Monching. Shot down to 12. Mr. Monching to Mr. Manyari. 12. Mr. Manyari lays up. Rebound by Mr. Borosme. Borosme fake. So, napasobra na naman Mr. Borosme. Number 8. Eto na si Mr.
Spring, tumira.
Pull up.
Wala.
And out. 7 minutes 14. The last crossover. And last more shot. Nice stop. Senator Manny pull up jumper short. Rebound by Mr. Boyet.
Boyet. Bigay kay Jan.
Garcia wants to
Using the
step.
left side. Attacking from the left. Wala.
Manyari looking forward. And a turnover by steal by Mr. Boyet. Basket and one. Basket down. Ball yours number 1. Mr. Manyari. Ibang ulang ni Mr. Boyet.
Second.
Uy.
Bonus free throw. Wala.
Rather, isa pa, Mr. Boyet. Violation tayo para sa team ng Orange.
Lane violation. So an extra free throw.
One shot. Wala pa rin para Mr. Boyet. Yun. Number 4, Jello lefty layup is good. 13-1-7. Hello. Send the play. Shot down to 14.
Jello setting up the play.
Hello, step back.
Pulls up. Wala.
Come on by Mr. Spring. Off the board is good.
Spring with the follow-up. Points. Sa blue shirts.
Ang inabot ng Team Orange.
Help defense from Jan. Succeeds in stealing the ball.
2-1. Buenaventura.
Lumay up si Buenaventura. It looks like Buenaventura is one of what blue is missing. Hustle.
5 minutes and 52.
The hustle that he gives.
Hello. Isa pa para kay Jello pa rin yan.
Jello.
Jello, lefty. 4 shot na para Mr. Jello. Hindi nakita kagad si Mr. Candas. 34-29. Uy, 1-2 step. 2 points to Mr.
2 points for Canlas. Jan tumira.
By Garcia.
Wala.
Wrong by
Spring.
Mr. Candas.
Canlas gets to the ball.
Eto na si Candas.
Siya na mag-
Diskarte pa rin yan.
Oh,
Next
what
team,
a
Mr.
block.
Garcia. Bola.
By Jan. And
Monchi
forced to commit a duty foul.
New ball.
Kailangan siya ng blue team. My team.
34-31. Sir Anante. Si Mr. Pineda.
Pineda babawi kaya. Short that time.
Eto na ang Team Orange. Small lineup ng Orange.
Thank you. Second free throw.
37.
Goes in. Pineda. Trifecta. Pangalawang miss na yan. Atenante loses the ball. Orange shirts are ahead. Ancheta pushing the pace.
35-34. James Bayborn. Pineda. Sayang ang gulang ni Mr. Pineda. Shot down to 14.
Agawang buko.
Uy, nakipagpatayan si Mr. Malyari sa bola.
Mr. Malyari wins the ball. Binigay kay
Malyari behind the back. Number 5.
napaganda pa. Highlight play
And ang pasa ni
from
Nicole,
Rupert.
ilang tinira. 3 minutes and 48. From downtown. Walang
And no warm-up, 3-point trifecta.
warm-up yan.
Ayun na nga po.
Nakita mo lang si Romnick.
Kita nyo na. Kailangan ng blue. Siraf.
Romnick. Sir, Mr. Romnick. Alas lang, Nick. Wala ka na-score na naman.
Bumawi. Wala.
Uy, good evening. Mr. Ivan Pangilinan.
And Atenante misses a point blank.
Makaready na.
Misses from point blank. Rather. Muntik na masundutan.
Vamos.
Ref Padan! Ref Padan po!
3 minutes and 5. Tipo, Esin.
Ref Padan po!
Off the board.
Ref, Padan po na konti.
2 minutes and 52. At natin looking for Mr. San Pedro.
San
Got
Pedro.
that 14-7. Mr.
Thinks
Rob
about
again.
it.
Mr.
Binigay kay
Garcia.
Jan. Jan has that range. Binalik kay San Pedro. San Pedro tumira na naman ng 3. Good line.
Ayan.
Sayang.
2 minutes and
Alam mo, nagbababa ng bola.
Malyari.
Malyari.
Looking for Mr. Timbol.
Timbol thinks about. Ref Padan po.
Timbol, Esin.
Ref Padan po. Yan po.
Tenante.
Tenante. Bullet pass.
Garcia.
Tenante thinks about it. Takes it to the middle. Sprays it to the left. Jan shoots.
Shooter bomb.
Good bounce. Shooter's bounce. Ika. Good interception by Raf. Stopping that play. Binigay kay Pineda. Pineda picking up pace. Gives it to Atenante.
Speed.
Pa momento. Atenante gives it back to Pineda. Fix.
Pineda off the board. That's good.
And he makes it.
Board dahil mataas ang ring doon.
Deadlock po tayo. 39. Oh,
41, 30.
41-39.
Is on. That's good. Iguan naman na doon. Mr. Monching. Garcia.
Jan! Opportunity for N1.
Let's get down. Well, the shot is good. 1 minute and 13. 43, 41. Mr. Rancheta. 8 solid. 5 solid. Wait for the buzzer. San Pedro from downtown.
Tenante makes it.
Basket down. Para kay Mr. Adelante.
Nice, Jay.
Hello. Cross pass to Mr. Omar Spring. Shot up to 12. Benaventura from downtown. In and out lang. Rebound by Mr. Canonigo. Canonigo, outlet. Uy, pasang-pasayan ni Mr. Guevara. Brother Benaventura pa rin. Spring, 50 po kayo.
Oh, really? I know. It was really like that.
Alas again. Ang point guard ni Timorin. Shot out down to 14. From downtown. Napakalayo Mr. Candas. Ulit. Uy, sayang. Good intention by Mr. Rock. Impos. Getting a play. Looking for Mr. Cananico. Shot out down to 5. Or the 14. Hello, crossover. Hello, ball pass to Mr. Pineda. Shot down to 12. And challenge to shoot. Pineda to Mr. Rob. Open from downtown. Wait. Rob. San Pedro. Loader by Mr. Langas. The ball by Mr. Spring. 7 minutes and 45. And now Benaventura looking for Mr. Spring. Spring. To Mr. Pineda. Pineda ball fake. Pineda Bevelo. To Mr. Jello. Lays off. That's good. Yung blue team. And last off the board. Put back. That's good. Mr. Ramos. $52 47. Nawala si Mr. Candas doon. San Pedro trap to Mr. Benaventura. Ball fake. Pull up jumper. That's good. Hirapan sila. Ayun, sila naman ang bubugbog. Score doon. 6 minutes and 54. Chelo again. Shot lock 14. Ingat na sa Mr. Gandas. Masyado malikit. All in verse number 58. First personal ball number 58. Mr. Gandas. Substitution. Sino? Mr. Garcia. Wait lang, Garcia. Sino? Mr. Pineda out. Iba ka, Mr. Baggy. 6 minutes and 20. 6 minutes and 15. Shot down to 14. From downtown again by Benaventura. Rebound by Mr. Ramos. Takbo ang Orange. 4 on 3. Behind the back. Gandang pasa. Canlas reverse. That's good. 54. 51. Kapasa na to. Speed by Jello. 4 shot. Nice D by Mr. Ramos. And now that's Mr. Ramos. Ramos ball pass. Steve Morley's up. That's good. Gandang pasa ni Mr. Ramos. Time out on Team Blue. 54-53. Mr. Calye, pag may laro ka, bawal mag-basketball sa bahay. Ay, minutes ng 40. Tignan mo si Loria, tinatawanan na. First quarter mo kasi, nalalambot ka eh. Tatang down 14. Benaventura. Akala ko kanina si Joe Marco. Pagkalaw niya.
Oy, almost travel. But it's good.
Tapos again. Ganda naman. Kaso nice block by Mr. Rob San Pedro.
San Pedro.
Ito na,
Defensive play.
Garcia. Down.
Looking to make a shot.
Jello.
Jello off.
Isa pa para kay Jello.
Isa pa.
Inalat si
Wala
Jello.
pa rin.
5 minutes and 10. Ball.
Ball. Good
Ball
defense.
tayo. Nice D by Mr. Rob San Pedro.
By San Pedro.
5 minutes and 5-7. 54-53.
54-53 is the score.
That division, 54-53. Up. Ikaw, Timbol, Essie.
Timbol, shoots.
Jumper,
Wala.
short. Rebound by Mr. Benaventura. Under steal by Mr. Canlas.
Canlas.
Ramos, Essie. Cross pass. Canonigo.
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 Hands off.
Hesitation din.
Thinks about the three.
Down the goal.
Brings it closer. Wala.
That division number 5. Canonigo out. 53.
Thinks about it.
8 seconds to shoot.
Binigay sa gilid.
5 seconds to shoot.
Veteran moves. Fishing a foul. Wala nakuha.
Ramos.
Rupert.
Downtown.
Buenaventura controls the rebound. Spring. Kay Rap. Rap di diskarte.
Step back.
Step back.
Off
The board is good. 56-53.
Narinig ko yun ay pa na. Balo nito. 4 minutes rather and 8 seconds.
Buenaventura steals it. Buenaventura.
Sorry. Gusto ng rebound. Gusto ni Mr. Benaventura. Hinintay pa. Foul number 58, Mr. Canlas. Hinintay pa. Naman personal foul on you, Mr. Canlas.
For the jumper. Wala.
3 minutes and 52.
Zach, you can drink if you want. Rupert.
Ramos. Spin. And the third number,
Jan.
Garcia. Garcia to Mr. Spain.
Spring.
Pupula
Mula. Off the board. Pour off the board. Blue off the board.
Number 10. To Mr.
Oh.
Ramos.
Rupert.
Basic basketball. 58-55.
Tutukan.
3 minutes, 20. Spring again. To Mr.
Atenante. Wala.
Mr. Corospe.
Grospe controls the rebound kay Rupert. Rupert kay Aldrin. Canlas sumasa. Gitsit. Umupo sa ere. No problem. 7 Jan.
Crossover.
Jan using his left. Gets a foul.
Number 10, Mr. Lobo. Second personal foul on yours, number 10, Mr. Lobo. One shot is good. Right there. Isa pa. One shot not good. Wrong by Mr. Corospe.
Oy! Double! Gather na.
Mr. Ganas, uli. Sa definition Ganas. Wala na yung mga bemo. May lag yun.
Double dribble for Aldrin. Very rare miscue. Ten.
Mr. Garcia.
Jan shoots. Wala.
Felician. Ancheta.
Ancheta lays it up. 59-58. Change favor.
Nice team by Mr. Manny. Steal by Mr.
Oh.
And Mr. Watching.
Kinuha lang ni
Si Mr. Ancheta. Team ball. Nice team by Mr. Garcia.
Garcia.
Ang bilis talaga ni Ancheta.
Diyan. Oh, sayang. May lamang sana yun.
Eto na si Mr. Manny.
Sheta, ito na.
Mr.
Leading his
Ancheta
team.
again. Si Mr. Ramos.
Ramos.
Ramos. Pull up. Let's go.
Oh, good. 61-58. 59.
Dalawa. Ang Team Orange.
61-59.
1 minute and 40. Mr. San Pedro. Mr. Spring. Leads off. Sado malakas. Rebound by Mr. Garcia.
Garcia, wala. Same ball for
Mr. Pineda.
change possession. 59 as announced by our
Orange. Number 14.
games committee.
Mr. Monching.
Ngayon kay Monching. Diyan.
Eto na. Oy!
Oh, nasundutan pa ni Manny. Ay, Manny ni Ancheta.
Kita kayo. Naka-gloves pa yan. Mr. Jello. Makikirata ng konti.
Rupert using his body. Good defense by Pineda. No foul. Diyan. Bigay ka Atenante. Atenante. Wala. Spring. Trying to get to the ball. Baligtad.
Thank you, Mr. Steven.
Baligtad siya.
Kaya sa mas nantanin po. Okay.
Ref, padaan po.
Go control.
Ref, padaan po.
From downtown.
Ref, padaan po.
Ay, Mr. Tanate. Eto na ang big man. Ang marunong magdala ng bola to. Nice drop to Mr. Rob.
Rob!
Sorry.
Rob gets his own miss. And a putback.
61 on.
Oh. Good tap by Spring. Nakuha ni Jan. Jan. Blew ahead in numbers. Only Ancheta to deal with. Sobra. Jello cleans up.
Jello. 10 solid. Tap is dead.
Deadlock.
5 solid. Wait for the buzzer. Ramos kick out. Team ball from downtown.
Team ball downtown. Buzzer beater Ryan. 66-63 by virtue of a trifecta from Timbol. Laman ng tatlo, 66-63 ang Orange.
Uy, point guard na si Mr. Tanate.
Jay,
Tanate setting the play.
dalang bola. Finds Jello sa gitna, top of the key. Buenaventura shoots Jello. Oh. Ding Orange, may ka buzzer beater yung halftime ikay. Wow, dugulis-gulis na kaya kan. Dugulis oh. Pare-pares ako kan.
Ako play.
Tungian mo naman yung manabo.
Ito yan muna.
Wow. May tungian pisa samsama.
Hello, right back. Still by Mr. Manny. Drop San Pedro. He's off. Uy! 2 points to Mr. San Pedro. Got down 14.
Shot clock 14. Buenaventura.
And challenge to shoot. Both
Oh yeah! Thinks about it. Paboard!
Not good.
Dalawa set. Tatlo-tatlo. Good foul. What? Lula pa mo? This looks like a good tap from Timbol. Good defensive play. Boyet finds Rap. Rap open for 3. Rap
From downtown.
gets his own miss.
Pareho ng rebound.
Rap sumaksak.
San Pedro
Goes to his right.
Wrong by Pineda.
Blue shirts have been crushing the board.
Nasa pa para kay Jello. Off the ball.
Jello gets it. 67-70.
Seven minutes and 20. Mr. Veteran Toyas dito. Eto na. Achera to Mr. Gatlas. Back to Senator Manny.
Oh, good block.
Mayweather. Benefit one. Drop. Ay, ball tayo. First shot is good.
First shot is good. 68-71. Tatlo na lamang ang hinahabol ng blue shirts. Sana makahabol sila. Kami.
Clock of 2.
Hindi gagalon.
21.
Ipayan doon.
69. 7 minutes. Ball downtown again. Short. Fouled by Mr. Jello.
Jello gets it. Jan finds Raf. Raf shoots 3. Boyat gets it. Takes the contact. Wala. Jan receives the ball.
Garcia again.
Jan goes to his right. Apakahirap na tira.
Number 1, Malyari. Pull up jumper. Ball by Mr. Canadigo. Shot number 14. Open. Goes pass to Mr. Mendas. Back to Ramos. 2 points on Mr. Ramos.
Puerta Camelilio.
Pull up jumper. Mr. Pineda.
Garcia, not Pineda. Rupert.
Ramos stays off.
Rupert kumakamada for the orange shirt. 75-71, apat na lang. Sagutan ng puntos ang dalawang teams.
Quarter na tayo. Ang bumigay dito. Nahihirapan kayong bumalik. Cello.
Travel.
Cello.
Dribble muna bago akbang.
Timori. 5 minutes and 5.
Calls a timeout. Aldrin. Timbol.
5 minutes.
To Aldrin.
Alas.
Aldrin pulls up. Just a little inside the three-point line. Jello controls the rebound. Pinababa niya para sa blue shirts. Jello finds. Pinilit niya. Which is good. Nasa kanan si Spring pero pinilit niya.
75-73. Dalawa ulit. Ang inabol ng blue. Alas. To Mr.
Ramos downtown. Short that time.
Steal by Mr. Canlas.
Pero Canlas gets the miss.
At yung ball ng blue.
Bad pass.
Steal by Mr. Benefit.
A little bit too low for a love pass. Raf.
Uy.
Jello.
3.
Spring finds John. Point blank.
Garcia.
Buti na lang. 75-73 and an interception. Are we on deadlock? Let's clarify.
Oh, they're not good. 3 minutes and 44. Timoy.
Cross.
3 minutes and 25. Fourth quarter.
John gets it. Good catch. Bigay kay Jello. Jello looking to swing the ball or take it himself. Looks like Jello will take it himself. A little bit too selfish that time. And 5. Buenaventura secures the rebound. Nasundutan.
Talang dito. Yung mga audience yung masyadong mainit yung ulo eh. 2 points on Mr. Natas.
2 points. 80-75.
Yan naman humingi ng demo. Nagsasalita yung audience ko. Beneventura at wide, not good. Round and pass.
Good pass. Oh! Sorry, miss.
Spring, wala.
Spring.
Spring block.
Block by Monching. 2 solid blocks.
5 points to shoot.
Spring gets a foul.
Timoy. First shot. Mendes para kay Spring.
Check. Buenaventura. Spring.
Block by Mr. Timbo. 2 minutes and 13.
Aldrin slowing down the game.
2 minutes and 25. For the inside, the shoot.
Oy!
Munting pa.
Cross na.
Hindi na wala kay Mr. Ramos. 5 times to shoot. Ramos, down.
Ref, may cross ya? May cross ya? Backing!
Last 2 minutes.
Pero lumipat.
Jersey number 5, Mr.
Raf makes the first free throw. 76-83. Anim.
83-76. Minutes. Alas.
Right, receives the inbound. Slowing it down. Spins. Blocked. Looks like John or Pineda got a piece of that ball. Pineda looking for his teammate. Binigay kay John. John cuts it to 5.
Timeout on team Orange, 83-78.
5-point lead. 1 minute 45.
Mr. Munching, may isang timeout pa. 1 minute and 35. Sa fourth quarter na tayo.
Okay.
83-78. Ubusin talagang oras ng Team Orange. Sinili nila, 24.
They elected to inbound at the backcourt.
Ball. That's not so number 4.
Bawi call.
1 minute and 28.
Lini paitan nandun, ref.
17 and 28.
Inbound. Munching. Inbounds to nasundutan. Spring steals it. Rap binigay kay Jan. Makes it. Good steal by Spring. Good defense by the blue shirts. 83-80. Another steal.
Sayang. 1 minute and 8. Ang pwede na sana nun. Ito na naman. Turnover. 1 minute and 4. San Pedro. Iikot. San Pedro to Mr. Garcia.
Jan.
Pinasok.
Woo!
Si Garcia.
Come on.
If they tell it.
Spring thinks about it.
Down. Pinakialaman agad ni Spring. Kaso, nasa baseline na si Mr. Benaventura. 53 seconds,
53 seconds, 80-83. Spring decided to attempt a 3-point shot.
53 seconds.
No go. A quick two would have been the better option, but and po ang decision.
53 seconds.
The players inside the court. Pressure. Mukhang may tatawid ni... And another steal. Spin by Jan. Jan makes it. Isa na lang. This is 82-82. Good.
Para sa blue team.
Miss. First free throws miss.
84.
Makes it 84-82. Dalawa na.
84-82. Someone looking for Mr. Vegas.
Oh. Pressure free throws. Makes the first one. Pineda. It's about it. Tumira.
And I say, nasa balik na ako. Benaventura magpapasabi. Rebound by Mr. Dipo. Outlet to Mr. Gatas. Last 21 seconds. No more shot clock. 18 seconds. Ay, ball tayo. 16 seconds. Ball with first number 23. Third ball pa lang ang Team Orange. Isa pa sa.
Pakaya silang sagot for the last dying seconds. Atenante was fouled. Shot clock is off. 14 seconds left. Jan shoots a 3. Foul.
First shot. It's good. Tingnan natin kung magandang idea yun. 6 seconds. 6. Uy! Pinapasablay. Pumasok para Benaventura. Time out. Team Orange.
Jan. Quick foul. Steal. Nice break. Miss. Okay.
3.4. 3 seconds lang now. 3 seconds. That's week. What was sir? 86-84. Tingnan natin kung susugal sila.
3 seconds na lang ang nalalabi.
Overtime mo na.
Overtime or go for the 3. Ref padampo after.
86-84.
86-84.
Let's wait for the buzzer. Garcia. And ball downtown.
Sayang, good lane.
Congratulations, Team Orange. Nice game, blue team. Sumugal na ang blue team.